Hey, welcome back to G Drive. Today, we're exploring something truly unexpected. The most luxurious Volvo Motorhome Camper ever built for 2025. Volvo has officially entered the high-end RV game, and they've done it in the most elegant, understated way possible. This isn't just about camping. It's about traveling in total Scandinavian comfort, powered by next-gen hybrid tech and wrapped in smart design from front to back. Let's start with the exterior. It's clean, minimal, and unmistakably Volvo. The body is finished in soft matte silver with black chrome accents, and everything about the shape is aerodynamic and intentional. The signature Thor's hammer LED headlights give it that bold Volvo identity, while the hidden sensors and flush panels make it look like something out of a near-future film. The all-glass solar panel roof not only powers interior systems but adds a seamless look that stretches across the entire top. Step inside, and you're instantly greeted by warmth, light, and modern luxury. Volvo's use of natural materials is next level. Reclaimed oak flooring, wool blend seating, stone countertops, and aluminum detailing. The living area is centered around a wraparound sofa that transforms into a bed, a floating smart table, and a retractable old display built right into the wall. The kitchen is refined and minimal. Concealed induction cooktop, built-in wine cooler, dual fridge drawers, and an herb garden tucked beneath the window. Yes, an herb garden. Every detail is made to make life on the road feel calm, organized, and functional. In the rear, you've got a full-size memory foam bed with ambient lighting tucked behind the headboard, climate control zones, and another hidden display for entertainment. And the bathroom? Easily one of the most luxurious we've seen, and an RV rainfall shower. Heated marble floors, smart mirror with built-in wellness tracking, and a fully water-efficient system that recycles and purifies for off-grid use. Now, let's talk power. This luxury Volvo camper is equipped with a plug-in hybrid setup, a turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor delivering 450 horsepower. You get over 80 kilometers of pure electric range and more than 700 kilometers combined range with fuel. Smooth, silent, and powerful enough for mountains, highways, and everything in between. Price? You're looking at around $260,000. It's not cheap, but for a high-end motorhome with Volvo's signature safety, hybrid power, and that calming interior design, it feels worth it. So, what do you think? Would you take this rolling sanctuary across the country, or maybe deep into the forest for a quiet escape? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love smart, luxurious vehicles like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. This is G Drive, where innovation hits the open road.